Okay, this is the Windows HTC HD2 phone, and I'm going to just show you right now. This is the Android platform right here. I have my lights on, kind of, for only a few seconds to save the battery here. And I'm going to open and unlock this phone. Okay, and as you see, this is my Windows phone. So let's open up the app market here. And as you see, this is the Android here. There's the Android and all of the different apps and stuff like that. Okay, and here we go. So as you see, there's a little clock, and let's get this phone to change here, back here. Okay. Unlock this phone. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn this phone on. We're going to power off. We're going to power the phone off. Okay. So what I'm doing now, I'm basically powering this phone off, and what we actually have done here, what I've actually done is change the platform here, the ROM, and anything that we do in changing this phone to an Android is going to be added to the root of your SIM card, so it's not going to actually get rid of the HTC. There will be another window. There's like three ones. You flip once, and then you flip another, and then you go into that, and you can still access your Android, your HTC icons or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to turn this phone back on, and as you're going to see, oh, I'm going to shut the phone down. It hasn't officially shut down yet. Okay. I'm using my iPhone, guys, by the way, because this iPhone has a wonderful, wonderful camera on it. And basically what it is that the Windows HTD phone does not have the greatest platform there. You don't have the access to the wonderful apps and everything like that. Okay, so I turn the phone down, and I'm going to turn it back on, and it's going to boot up to my HT Sense. And as you see here, I'm going to turn this phone up for you so you can get a good picture here. There you go. Energy HTC. And basically, how you find these files is you can go to xdadevelopers.com, and you can look at all the different new developers and the platforms. You see it's opening up right there. And this is the HT Sense. This is the different. It's an HTC Quietly Brilliant Energy. This is the platform that I use to put on my HTC. And as you see, there's the HTC. It's launching the HTC Sense. And it's wonderful because when you open up the HTC HD2, it doesn't have this beautiful scenery going on right here. And I'm going to put this back down. And there's your wonderful calendar and everything like that. Because as you see now, when I first turned on the phone, there was the Android platform. This is the HTC Sense here. Let's see if we can unlock this here. Okay, this is my HTC icons that's still there. And then let's go to, still learning how to operate this phone. And here's your wonderful apps and stuff right here. There's your total commander, your settings right here, your GPS. And I don't know if you can see this wonderful guy right here. There's the Android. Can you see the Android? Okay, I think you can see this Android right here. Let's see, so you can get a good idea of the Android. As you see, Android This little guy right here is the Android right here. Trying to get in the light where actually, okay, there you see the Android. And I'm going to go into my second window here. And I'm going to hit this one here. If you can see this, say Launch Android. Android Launcher. Android. Launch Android right there. It's going to do a Linux here. You're going to see all this little writing here, guys. You should see this writing. It's a lot of little stuff that tells the computer what to do. And okay, I'm going to put this back down here. You see that little ducky right there? You should see this on the screen. It takes a few minutes. When I first did this, it wouldn't launch, and what I discovered was that I had was missing a few, and there it says HTC, a few files, and there's two important files that are needed to launch this Android, and it is a HARET.exe file and a CRD file. I'm not sure that's the exact name. I have to look at it. But as you see, it's launching Android. You see, I've already gone from the Energy Sense. Let's pick this phone up here so we can see. There you go. So there you go. It says T-Mobile, and there's your, it says prepare an SD card. And this second program is actually stored onto your, well, it says that I have a message and a new email. That's what you're hearing here. So I'm going to open this up, and you see there you go. I have the Android Market here. I'm going to open that up there, and that's the Android Market when it's loading. And there's my different apps and stuff like that. And I'm going to go here. I have my contacts. And actually, I've got my Facebook contacts linked to the phone. And then I have messaging here. I got some messages here. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my different apps. There's the wallpaper, and there's the messages. I can actually view my messages. I guess I got messages from Facebook here. Okay. Okay, so there's the Facebook coming up there. And if I don't want to look at that right now, I can just close it out. So, and again, and then you can see all the wonderful apps like Facebook and navigation, and you've got the navigation and your usual apps and stuff that you have here. I've got my Star Translate and what have you. So, and again, basically, what you want to see, in order to go back to your Sense, you just turn the phone off. I'm going to turn the phone off again, and I'm just going to show you. Turn the phone off and power down. So basically what you're doing is you're not removing your original Windows base ROM. You're just adding an additional ROM to your SIM card, to your SD card, memory card, I'm sorry. So, okay. Now I just powered off.